Here's a quick tutorial on how to use your surveying record to draw the property outline. Now we're going to ignore the elevation, the Z elevation. I'm going to ignore that for this exercise. I'm just going to show how to draw using the XY coordinates. And I'll start with my first one, T1.1. So I'm going to, well, first let's see how I've set this up. First I've got a C prop layer, and my C prop layer is Phantom 2.028. And let's see how I've set my units. Just typing units. I don't know what the units are over here. It didn't tell me if they were feet or inches or meters or miles. It didn't tell me. So I'm going to say, I don't know. I'll use unitless, but when I type in the number, it will be that number. So that's good. So I'll start, draw a line. It says, where do I want to start? Now, it's important in this case that my dynamic mode is off. If you want to use the same style of input that I'm using, be sure that your dynamic input is off. Because then when I type it in, it's that XY point. So I'm going to type 130.44, comma, 94.22. And that's where I'm going to start, right there. And then it says, where is my next point? Well, my next point, it says it right over there. It's 97.78, comma, 140.54, 140.54. And then my next point, it's asking for my next point, so I'll just keep going right down the line, is going to be at 39.49, comma, 219.4. And you may have to zoom out. You may have to move, pan around a little bit. Who knows? My next one is at 12.43, comma, 256.65. This is looking like that little slope up. This looks like my southwest corner, if I'm seeing it right. Let's see. My next one is minus 13.5, minus 13.35, comma, 292.12. Dang, I must have done these pretty well because that's a nice straight line. And then my last one is minus 37.33, comma, 325.14. And of course, you've got many more points than I've got. I think, I'm not sure, I think there were 27 or 28 of those things all the way around. Okay, and so I did that drawing lines. I could have done it drawing polyline, but I like drawing the individual lines. If I go look at it on my layout, there it is. And I can type regen. And that's what I've got out of it. That's how it looks. Okay, so that's how you use your survey record to draw the boundary. We have not done the Z elevation. It's not much different, believe it or not. It works almost exactly the same way, but we'll catch that in another spot. So that's how you do it. You just go all the way around until the whole thing is done.